Welcome to your ultimate English grammar challenge. Can you score a perfect 15 out of 15? Test your skills, challenge your brain, and find out how sharp your grammar game really is. Let's begin. No cheating.
Nothing so into my soul. Nothing so into my soul.
So, how did you do? Comment your score below and let the world know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who love a good challenge. See you in the next quiz. Stay sharp. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. So goodbye.